Hi, my name is Fabio Falzoi. I work as a tech leader here in Develer, and I will be your teacher for the Advanced Go course held by the GoLab conference in October. During the course, we will see a lot about concurrency in Go. We will see a lot of patterns that may be useful while writing concurrent applications, and an example of that may be trying to reduce the latency while querying external services. Let's look together at an application of these concurrency patterns. Here I'm just showing you the code for an HTTP request to an external services. I think you may know about this code, or maybe you have seen something like that very often. And in this case, as expected, this application will return to us the JSON that the service is sending us. Okay, nothing strange here. But imagine that this service will introduce sometimes a huge delay. You may want to lower this as much as possible because you just want to have the lowest latency possible in your critical services. Let's look at an application of the cancellation pattern and the scatter-gather pattern that can help us a lot in this situation. Here I prepared a little snippet of code using these two patterns. Okay, here we are. Here we can see that I'm using more than one Go routine to query the external service. As you know, in Go, Go routines are cheap, so it is convenient to use more than one if I want to use more resources just to lower the tail latency. But what I'm doing here in detail, I'm just using 3 different Go routines that will make the same request, and the first one of those that will complete the request using the context will cancel the other request. Using more than one request, I will lower the probability to get a high latency response while querying the external service. And here in this case, we can just try to build around this code, and we can see that the output is just the same as before. Okay, let's try that. And here we are. The output is the same as before, as expected. Well, during the course, we will also see how to simulate high tail latency server, so to prove that this solution is a good solution. To be honest, there are other solutions to this problem, and some solutions perform better while consuming less resources. I'll wait you at the Advanced Go course, where we will talk a lot about the concurrency patterns in Go, and especially how to use them to improve the performance and the scalability of your critical services in production.